I think earnings season is holding the market together. The other things are what the market is puzzled about. I think many traders are now starting backward from a set date. They're taking November 6th, which is election day, and trying to figure out how soon before that date the president will need to get some trade agreements out and to make sure he doesn't put a dent in the midterm election. And that'll be there. The other date they'll be watching is this Friday when GDP comes out. And if it comes out at 4.2, as many people are guessing, there won't be a megaphone in the world big enough for this president. He will be all over the place.
An all-caps tweet, perhaps?
Right.
Markets either at or within a couple percentage points of an all-time high. In our latest CNBC survey, the president gets 50% approval on the economy, 34% disapproval. I mean, I'm not sure where the urgency is on midterms. He's got some, as he said, he's got some bank money to play with.
Yeah, but I think he wants to go further. I think that unbeknownst to us, feverishly in back rooms, they're working on a new Canadian plan and a new Mexican plan at the very least. And I think he also would like to get some kind of overall settlement on automobile tariffs and get that kind of neutralized. And he will be taking all manner of credit for those things. So I think he wants to get some of that stuff done. I think the big geopolitical danger is after Helsinki, if something were to happen in Europe, in the Ukraine or whatever, it might become too tempting for the president to want to look very stern against Russia and make a move of some kind. I don't think it would be overtly troops, but, rushing to the aid of the Ukrainians or things like that. So, but I think that would be the primary geopolitical concern. I think he's working behind the scene to get this economy virtually roaring going into election.
Why is the market not unnerved at all about the president wading into monetary policy and the U.S. dollar?
Well, they are a little concerned, and I think the primary reason they're concerned is, he started out with Kernan by saying, I put a very good man into the Fed. That was an interesting way to begin that. And so that took a little bit of the steam out of it. I think the major negative of it is it might put Powell in a bit of a box, because as much as if he were to side with, Yellen's kind of thinking and saying, we stayed below 2% for so long, maybe we should let it run a little to the hot side. And Trump's comments have now put him in a position of people saying, aha, Trump has frightened him into inaction, and that's what's going on. So if there's a danger there, that's what the danger is.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.